This is Royal. I'm excited to go over the one trade that I placed today on August 5th, Monday, August 5th, and that is MGOL. MGOL had been alerted in the pre-market, and then coming into the market open as well, we received this alert. So this is what I was looking at when the market opened this morning. So when I go down and look at the TTM, well, two things. So my EMAs are all combined together here, and they are a little weird. They're not exactly lined out. You can see that the 8 and the 21 are under the 34 and the 55 EMA. But I do like the fact that we had transitioned from weak bear here to strong bull on the TTM, as well as momentum was pretty much staying positive. So as we came into the market open, what I noticed is, and this is kind of a highlight of a pullback trade, but this price really ripped higher from about 365 all the way up to 405 and then closed up here at 392. So the issue that I have here is that if I buy at 392 or if I buy up here thinking this thing's going to run without me, then like you've seen in my prior videos, you have to be willing to sit through this pullback all the way to the 8 EMA. And as I've mentioned a few different times, I would rather pick the hard of not having capital at risk and just sitting on the sideline and then placing a limit order down closer to the EMA looking for that to get filled. So you can market buy, that's fine too. If you see this coming down towards the 8 EMA and it gets down here and you just want to market buy, great. I do like using limit orders, and it just allows me the flexibility of kind of putting a set price, and if it wicks down and hits it, then it fills. So completely your preference. You can use market orders, you can use limit orders, but in this case, I set my order, it filled at $3.80.5, 200 shares. Just took a light position, just given that the overall market was super down today. And from there, it's pretty easy to be patient. This closed up at 392, so I was already up in my position. Closed at 385. So this closed at 385. I was already up in my position for my entry just slightly. Next candle consolidates. I am growing uptrend on my TTM squeeze. And then we get this nice candle higher. It gives us a big wick up to about 425. And then when this next wick came in, I started really feeling like, okay, we're struggling to get through this 415. Plus this hit a high of 420, and the very next candle also put a high of 420. So I went ahead and set a few limit orders to sell here. I sold 50 shares at 414, 50 shares at 406, and another 50 shares at 417. And we just kind of kept getting rejections. I did sell my last 50 shares down here at 392. In hindsight, I wasn't super happy with that because, of course, we still held the 8 EMA. Probably with some more patience, I would have taken the rest off up here, 417. We did double top at 420, double topped again at 419, so clearly that was causing us some problems. We did get a wick much higher up to 457. You'd have been super, super fast. I was watching this and it literally just ripped up and immediately sold off. But if you caught that, good for you. So that was my trade for today. Pretty quick, in and out, made some money on it. And I really liked the execution, and this is what my focus is as I'm trading. I want to be taking these pullbacks at or near the 8 EMA, 21 if I can, but just making sure that I'm reducing my risk by taking these entries closer back to 8 EMA and then looking for the move higher. Hope you had a great trading day, and I look forward to connecting with everybody tomorrow.